Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and Mikerphone Brewing has a holiday treat for us today. It's their Big Daddy Kandy Kane Berliner Weisse. So, like I said, we have a holiday treat for you today. This comes from Mikerphone Brewing, and it's their Big Daddy Kandy Kane, a candy cane flavored Berliner Weisse. Sour and mint. Yum. Let's try it. This beer comes in at a 5.2% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.54. A Berliner Weisse with candy canes. Okay, let's give this beer. Well, it's looks like a Berliner Weisse, so that's nice. I smell a little bit of mint. Okay, it's there. It's minty-esque. A little bit. It smells like a Berliner Weisse mostly. Ah. Oh, that's weird. Big Daddy Kandy Kane.
Well, smells kind of, I can smell the mint. That's interesting. It's like, all
right, let's try this. Big Daddy Kane. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I thought it was gonna be darker. Let's see. Yeah, that smells not good. I could smell the candy cane and I could smell the sourness. I think this is gonna be the more like, yeah, I don't know. Let's try it. No. No.
Is that like orange? That's odd. That tastes weird. I don't know. That's weird. That's just weird. Hang on. Oh, there's a upfront flavor. It kind of just tastes spoiled. Oh, it's slightly minty. And it makes it taste a little spoiled. It tastes like a halfway decent Berliner Weisse at the end, but the beginning, this mint candy cane flavor.
It's like I thought. It's like brushing your teeth and then drinking orange juice afterwards. It's not a good combo. I mean, the flavors are there. It's definitely a sour. It's definitely got mint in it, but I do not like those two together. They are just, I've had worse beers before, but this is not great.
I really don't know how to explain this. This is really weird. It's not bad, actually. It's not horrible. I could drink this. And then you could definitely taste the peppermint. You could definitely taste the holidayness, but I don't know. It's I think that's pretty good, actually.
It tastes like bad toothpaste. Like cheap hotel-esque toothpaste.
It's not bad. I mean, I don't drink a lot of beer, but it's something it's very easy to drink. It's very light. So I don't even know what the ABV is on this thing. What's the alcohol content in this thing? It's probably a 5.8. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing. It's like almost drinking. It's almost like mint apple juice, kind of. That's kind of what I feel like it might be. So there's my 2 cents.
And even as a Berliner Weisse, it's kind of on the subdued side. It's not like overly tart. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's anything fixing it. I don't know why they thought those two things together would taste good. I mean, I'd take mint with like, if they put like mint as a subtle thing with like some raspberry or strawberry with some more fruit, that might make it better. But just straight up sour and mint, no, I don't like it.
I'm kind of disappointed because the little bit of Berliner Weisse flavor tastes pretty darn good. Like a nice, easy drinking sour beer, but with toothpaste. Yeah. No. All right, so Mikerphone Brewing's Big Daddy Kandy Kane Peppermint Berliner Weisse. It's very interesting. We all picked up on certain notes that were the exact same, and we all came to slightly different conclusions. It was kind of weird. You mentioned something that it was like a cider.
Yeah.
And that was pretty good because I said it was like rotten fruit, almost spoiled type.
And it does kind of have like...
I could see that.
Yeah.
I can see that.
It kind of does have like a real dry finish at the end, kind of like how a dry cider does. So I can see the correlation between cider and this.
Yeah, and then you said something too, that it was like a very light Berliner Weisse. And he was also saying that, it's a very light style.
Light beer.
Yeah, and I was saying, I liked the base of this as if it was just a nice light drinking beer, but without the mint.
Yeah. And we all said that we tasted the mint. So
Yeah.
the mint is definitely
Definitely there. Like it's in the aromatics. It's like there's just something weird. There's mint in it, and then you taste it. I think right away. I thought taste it right away.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Yeah, you can smell. I just don't know what you would drink this with.
I don't think it's a good pairing. It's just an interesting beer that maybe you want to share with somebody or say, hey, this is interesting.
You did make a good point, though. I like that you were saying that if there was fruit in it.
Yeah.
That actually was a pretty smart idea because it's kind of like a sorbet where they put that little mint leaf on the top. If this was more maybe a jammy sour.
Yeah. That might
or
be
something like that. That might work out. Interesting.
I mean, like, I think I liked it more than you guys did.
Yes.
And again, like, I don't drink a lot of beer. And it's a lot lighter than it is. I don't really care for that beer flavor or whatever kind of that much. And so because it's light and because it's just different, I actually liked it more than you guys did. It doesn't make any sense, but I don't know. I liked it.
I think it's a good beer to have one of it to share with people to try something like this. But if you guys are looking for a beer that's not big and heavy and kind of that holiday themed, Mikerphone Brewing Company's Big Daddy Kandy Kane Peppermint Berliner Weisse. You know, your breath's gonna smell good at least afterwards.
Might be good with a bourbon chaser.
Yeah. So, there you go. See you guys.
See ya.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for all those will be at the very bottom of the description. So scroll down. Have you ever had a peppermint beer or a peppermint sour beer? What's the weirdest sour beer you've ever had? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.